Alright guys, so some people telling me they want a review on this unboxing, so I've been convinced, so I'm going to do a quick little review for you guys. This is just unboxing, so it's not turning on the computer, not anything like that, but if you guys like this type of stuff, don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. So I'm going to put the camera down. Sorry guys, I'm a little tired tonight. I'm gonna put the camera down and let's go ahead and open this box up here. Alright you guys, what's going on? Your boy back again. So this is the MSI, what's it say? This is the MSI, it just says GF65 Thin 9S EXR. You guys maybe know more about computers than me, I don't know. But people want an unboxing video, so I'm gonna do it. Do this for you guys. I've got this computer so that way we get some better quality, so make sure you fucking hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got in here. It looked good for editing, so I just picked it up. This is what we're looking at. True gaming. This is a gaming computer, I'm assuming, I guess. Let's get rid of that. That shit. So guys, this is what we're looking at so far. This is the MSI laptop. I'm not doing a crazy video, no like bird's eye view and all that. I'm too tired today, guys. So I want to get this done so that way people can see what they get for their money. So this computer is about $1,600, taxes in. Canadian. I'll open it this way for you guys. So you got some cardboard here, the MSI thing if you need to call them. Ooh, I guess this is it here. So this is the computer. I'll go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so this is the computer. Let me come a little closer so you guys can see. So this is the computer. If I don't drop it. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff. Let's look at the other side. 2 USB ports, looks like a couple HDMI or something, and then there's a Ethernet cable there as well. Your pretty standard stuff. Underneath is what we're looking like. Oh, try to show you the whole thing there. Okay, pretty standard. Again, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm not a big review guy. Well, actually, that's not true. All I do is review things. Okay, so opening it up. Ugh. This is what we're looking at. Let's move this. Let's move this thing out here. So this is going to be your keyboard. Okay, pretty nice. So this is like a brushed black aluminum. Pretty cool. It looks like a pretty standard computer though. It doesn't look like, you know, anything that like is gonna blow you away. But even if you can see there, we got the Intel Core i7 9th generation, and we got whatever that is, NVIDIA GeForce RTX. So I guess that's like the processor or something. I don't know guys, but at least you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the computer. Holy shit, that's a big battery. What is this? So guys, we got something oh shit, this is pretty intense here. Yeah, this is the battery charger. That's a mat. Look, this is the other side of it. You guys can see my hand. This is a massive battery charger. But I mean, you gotta get the power, right? So that's the only other thing that's in the box. Okay. The other side, pretty straightforward stuff, okay guys? Show you the computer one last time, properly. So this is what it looks like. Opened. Not used, brand new, no refurbished garbage. This is real, brand new stuff. Because we need this, guys, you know this. Trying to get the videos better, you know? So guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like up this video. Again, I don't really do computer reviews, but some people were asking for it, so I figure I'll just throw it in there, why not? This is the MCI. Alright guys, that just about wraps up this video for the MCI, whatever it's called. I'll put it in the screen here. I do not really do computer reviews. If anyone's thinking about buying one of these, it's brand new, so I guess it's like 2021 computer, I don't know. So if anyone's looking for this type of stuff, well, I mean, I guess we'll see how it performs. Alright guys, Straight Figure Mag, we'll see you guys next time. Straight Figure Mag, peace.